Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will provide the setup guide for your NETGEAR AX3000 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 extender device. Let's start the process. To start the setup, place your NETGEAR extender in the same room as your Wi-Fi router. Proximity to the Wi-Fi router is required only during the initial setup process. Plug the AX3000 extender into an electrical outlet. Wait for the power LED to light solid green. Press the WPS button on the NETGEAR extender until the WPS LED blinks. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. When the extender connects to your existing Wi-Fi network, the WPS LED on the extender blinking. If the router link LED lights green, the connection between the router and extender is good. If the router link LED lights amber or red, then you need to move the extender closer to the router and try again. After the WPS connection, unplug your NETGEAR extender and move it to a new location. We recommend that the new location be about halfway between your router and the area with a poor Wi-Fi signal. Now, connect your computer or mobile device to the new extender Wi-Fi network. You can use the NETGEAR Installation Assistant to connect your NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender to your existing Wi-Fi router's network. To use the NETGEAR Installation Assistant, you must need to launch a web browser on your Wi-Fi enabled computer or mobile device. On your computer or mobile device, open the Wi-Fi Connection Manager and locate and connect to the extender network called NETGEAR_EXT. This is the NETGEAR extender's default SSID. Launch a web browser on your connected device. Enter mywifixt.net in the web address bar. The NETGEAR Installation Assistant displays on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your extender to your existing router's Wi-Fi network. After setup, you can change the extender's location. In case of any technical issue to connect your NETGEAR AX3000 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 extender with the router network, you can reach us. Thanks for watching.